Get the algebraic expressions in the following cases using variables, constants and arithmetic operations. First bit, subtraction of z from y. We need to subtract z from y. In subtraction, we always write this variable first. So subtraction, put negative symbol, then we should write this. So this is the answer for this one. Clear? In subtraction, this variable first, then minus and finally this. Next, second bit. 1/2. 1/2 means 1 by 2 of the sum. Sum means plus of the numbers x and y. See man, sum of x and y. Sum means x plus y. Now 1/2 means 1 by 2 of this. This can also be written as x plus y by 2. This is for the second bit. Next, the number z multiplied by itself. So z multiplied, so put into, by itself means again z. So z we get z power, add the power since bases are same. So 1 plus 1, 2. So z square is the answer for this one. Next, fourth bit, 1/4. 1/4 is nothing but 1 by 4 of the product of numbers p and q. P and q product means p into q. Of this product 1/4. So here you write 1/4 of this, or else p into q is pq. 1 into anything, so no need to write this 1. Denominator 4 as it is. So this is the answer for the fourth bit. Next, numbers x and y both squared. Numbers x and y both squared and added. Squared means x will become x square, y will become y square. Added means add these two, that is x square plus y square. This is for the fifth bit. Next, number 5 added to 3 times the product of numbers m and n. Product of numbers m and n means m into n. Now 3 times the product. 3 times means here you write 3 into 3 times. Number 5 added, so you add 5 to this. So that is nothing but 3mn plus 5. Okay. Next, product of numbers y and z. Product of these two numbers is nothing but y into z, that is yz, subtracted from 10. So subtraction, first we should write this number 10. Subtraction, so minus, now this product yz. So this is the answer for this one. Next, sum of numbers a and b. Sum of numbers a and b is nothing but a plus b, subtracted from their product. So here we have subtracted, so first we should write this. Their product is nothing but a into b, which is ab. Subtraction, so minus, then this a plus b. Now here we have more than one variable, so we should put in the brackets. So this is the answer for 8th one. Identify the terms and their factors in the following expressions. Show the terms and factors by tree diagrams. How do we do that? See. First A1. We should show in the tree diagrams. So A1 is x minus 3. Now, in this expression, the terms are x and minus 3. So like this, let us write. X does not have any other factors, so leave it here. Minus 3 also you cannot break it again, so leave it here. So this is the answer for A1. Now B. 1 plus x square. In this expression, the terms are this one. First is 1, next is plus x or just x, and then plus x square or just x, plus just x square. 1 we leave it like that, x also leave it. How do we get x square? We get x square by multiplying x and x. So these two are called its factors. Clear? Here 1 as it is, x as it is, but to get x square we multiply x and x, we get x square. So these two are its factors. Next, C1. Y minus y cube. In this expression, the terms are y and minus y cube. Y we leave it like that. Now by multiplying what all will we get? Minus y cube. To get minus y cube, we should multiply minus 1, y, y and again y. Minus 1 into y into y into y, we get minus y cube. So these are all the factors of minus y cube. Next, D1. 5xy square plus 7x square y. In this expression, the terms are this 5xy square and this one 7x square y. Now to get this, what all should we multiply? We should multiply 5x, and to get y square we should multiply y and y. When we multiply all these 4, we get this. So these 4 are the factors of this one. Now here, to get this, what all should we multiply? We should multiply 7. To get x square, we should multiply x. To get y, we should put y. When we multiply all these 4, we get this. So this is the tree diagram for D1. Next, E. Minus AB plus 2b square minus 3a square. In this term, in this expression, the terms are this minus AB, next plus 2b square, we don't need to specify plus, but if it is minus, compulsory place negative, and this one minus 3a square. If you have negative, compulsory you should put negative. Positive, even if you don't write, doesn't matter. Now by multiplying what all will we get? Minus AB. We should multiply minus 1, A and B to get this. So these are the factors of this. Now what all should we multiply to get 2b square? We should multiply 2 with b and b. When we multiply these three, we get 2b square. Now here, we should multiply minus 3 with a and a to get this. So this is for E. Identify terms and factors in the expressions given below. We should identify terms and factors in all these given expressions. He did not tell us to show in the tree diagram. So how do we show is in the form of a table. See. So first is for expression. Next is for term, and finally the factors. Now A1. A is minus 4x plus 5. Now in this expression, the terms are this and this, that is minus 4x and 5. Now to get the factors, what all should we multiply to get minus 4x? We should multiply minus 4 and x to get minus 4x, so these are its factors, and 5 as it is. This is for A. Now the B one. B is minus 4x plus 5y. Now in this expression, the terms are this and this, minus 4x and 5y. Here it is plus 5y, whether you write plus or not doesn't make any difference. But if you have negative, compulsory put negative. Now factors of minus 4x are minus 4 and x. If we multiply these two, we get this. Now the factors of 5y is 5 and y. When we multiply these two, we get this. So these are its factors. Next, C. 5y plus 3y square. In this expression, the terms are this and this, 5y and 3y square. Factors of 5y is 5 and y. When we multiply these two, we get 5y. And the factors of 3y square is 3y and y. When we multiply these three, we get 3y square. So these are its factors. Next, D. D is xy plus 2x square y square. In this expression, terms are this and this, xy and 2x square y square. Now by multiplying, what all will we get xy? By multiplying x and y. So these are its factors. Now to get 2x square y square, we should multiply 2 x, y and y. X into x, x square, y into y, y square. When we multiply all this, we get this. So these are the factors of this one. Next, E. E is PQ plus Q. In this expression, the terms are this and this, that is PQ and Q. By multiplying, what all will we get? PQ. By multiplying P and Q. So these are its factors, and Q as it is. Next, F. F is 1.2 AB plus minus 2.4 B plus 3.6 A. In this, the terms are this, this and this. That is 1.2 AB and minus 2.4 B and 3.6 A. Plus, whether you write or not doesn't make any difference, but if it is negative, definitely you should specify. Now the factors of this are 1.2, A and B. By multiplying these three we get this, so these three are its factors. Same way here, by multiplying minus 2.4 and B, we get this, so these are its factors. For 3.6A, we should multiply 3.6 and A to get this. So these are its factors. Next, G. G is 3 by 4x plus 1 by 4. Now, in this expression, the terms are this and this, that is 3 by 4x and plus 1 by 4. Now, how do we get 3/4 of x? By multiplying 3/4 and x. By multiplying these two, we get this. So, these two are its factors. And 1 by 4 alone as it is. Now, h. 0.1 p square plus 0.2 q square. In this, the terms are this and this, that is 0.1 p square and 0.2 q square. And the factors, what all should we multiply to get this? We should multiply 0.1 p and p. By multiplying these three, we get this, so these are its factors. Now here we should multiply 0.2 q and q. When we multiply these three, we get this, so these three are its factors. So question is completed.